Hey everyone, Kelly here from the customer success team at Copysmith. And today I'm excited to show you our brand new Google Docs integration. You'll need to begin by creating an API key and installing it. Let's first go to your account settings. Select Integrations from the sidebar. Scroll down to our brand new Google Docs. If you don't see this toggled on, you'll want to go ahead and start by toggling this switch on. Select the Connect button. You'll be prompted for an email to connect to your Google Docs integration. Select Create Google Docs API Key. You'll see a success message here saying that the API key has been created. Scroll back up to the top to show your API keys. Here you'll find your Google Docs add-on generated API key. Go ahead and copy that to your clipboard. You've successfully created your API key. Now we'll go ahead and install our Copysmith integration into the Google Docs. First, open up a Google Doc. At the top, you'll see add-ons in your toolbar. Click Get Add-ons. Next, you'll need to search for Copysmith. You'll see one option for Copysmith. For the purpose of this video, I'll be selecting this staging. You'll be prompted to install. Click Continue if you accept the terms. You'll want to click the matching email which you entered that API key for. You'll see a success message that says Copysmith has been installed, and you can find it again under add-ons. You can close out of this now and go back to your add-ons. Now you should see Copysmith there. Go ahead and open it in the sidebar. Give it just a moment to load. Then you'll be prompted to paste that API key from before. Once you've pasted, click the Submit button. And there you have it. Your Google Docs Copysmith integration has been successfully installed. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our success team. Or to learn more about how to use your newly installed integration, jump to our next video. Thanks for watching and happy copysmithing.